Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a Longchamp double unboxing video. I'll be sharing two new bags that I picked up. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. So I ended up picking up both of these bags directly from the Longchamp website. I have been eyeing these bags for a very long time. They're probably not what you think they're going to be. They're not new. They're not super unique and bags that you just never see. These are bags I've had my eye on for some time, and I kept talking myself out of them because I felt like, oh, do I really need that? Well, evidently I do. So let's go ahead and get started. So, like I said, I purchased these both from the Longchamp website. So it just come this great Longchamp bag. And it has the really pretty Longchamp little sticker there. It's always packaged so nice when you get it directly from the Longchamp store. So let's go ahead and see which one this is. Oh boy. I told you guys, you might be surprised. It is the most beautiful, classic Longchamp bag, in my opinion. I have been eyeing this one for such a long time. So it has the embossed horse and jockey, has the beautiful brown Russian cowhide leather with the gold hardware. Let's go ahead and open it up. It is so pretty. So it has the gorgeous black nylon, and this is in the size large. So this is the large size Le Pliage tote bag. I have been eyeing this for years now, and I keep thinking, oh, do I really need another black bag? But I'm going to tell you exactly why I decided to pick this up, and that's because, let me show you. This is the size large that I have right now. This is the only size large I have. And this is in like a terracotta color. And I picked this up, I don't know, about 2 years ago maybe. And I absolutely have used it so much. And this fall, I went back to using it, just grabbing it, wanting something that was durable, something I didn't have to be super careful with, but also thought looked super classy and chic. But what my dilemma was is this color just doesn't go with everything in my wardrobe. And so even though I love this bag and how much it holds and just the gorgeous aesthetic of this bag, this peachy terracotta color was not going very well with my red sweater that I have been wanting to sport. I've been wearing some like orange colors. This has not been going with it, so I've had to change bags just so it would work. I just wanted something that would go with everything. I love the size and I need it. Like everything that's in here, I mean, it's just packed to the brim. I'm going to show you what's in here and I'm going to transfer it to one of these bags. But that was my rationale for picking this up after just kind of like making excuses for why I didn't need it for such a long time. But I absolutely love this black. It is so pretty. It is definitely one of their most sold and absolutely, I think, the most chic bag that they have. I think it's such a beautiful bag. I did get myself an organizer off Amazon, and I'm just going to see if it fits. I didn't try it in the terracotta one just to see. But, oh, it fits perfectly. Nice. So nice. Love it. I have to have an organizer in my Longchamp bags. They just puddle otherwise, and I prefer a little bit of structure. And I don't know if you've been following my channel for any amount of time, you know that these creases in the nylon kind of drive me nuts, and I do steam my bags with a handheld steamer, and it takes the creases out. beautifully. Let me know if you want me to show you a video of how I steam my Longchamp bags. It's the only bag I steam. I do not steam any other, I don't steam coated canvas or leather. I mean, it would melt it, but nylon bags, I steam it and it comes out crisp, clean, beautiful. So let me know down below in the comments if you'd like to see me steam my Longchamp bags and get all those set increases out. It really is a process, but it really takes care of the job. So this is the first bag I picked up. Let's go ahead and see what else I picked up. This is also, I felt like the terracotta color was more a spring summer bag, and the black one is just a year-round go with absolutely everything. Like I said, I've been wearing some sweaters that have just not gone with that at all. And I just thought it was time to get myself a black one. And when I was on the website, I thought, you know what? It is fall and I'm craving a fall bag. Okay, so strange. This one did not come with the plastic bag, which is fine. I don't need it, but it's just interesting. Again, beautiful packaging. It does have the monogram Longchamp throughout the tissue paper, and then it also has the really pretty person jockey. Let's go ahead and see my second bag that I picked up. I know, I'm obsessed. So this to me is the most beautiful cognac color. This one has the silver, and I think it's beautiful. I'm pretty sure this is the green line, and that is why it does not come with the gold hardware like the originals line. So the black is in the originals line with the gold hardware. So pretty. But this one is in the green line. It is recycled nylon, comes with the silver hardware. I absolutely love silver hardware. All my jewelry is silver and I love it so, so much. So I'm really excited to have this bag. I love the horse and jockey right there. It just adds a little something extra. I am definitely going to put an organizer in this bag as well. I'm trying to decide which one I want to change into. I know I'm going to be changing back and forth this fall and winter. I think I'm going to go ahead and change into this beautiful cognac color bag in the green line. And the reason I think I'm going to do that is because it's fall now and I want to really get my use out of this bag. I'm going to go ahead and put everything in here. And then I'm sure I'll use this so much this winter and basically all year long. So I'm actually going to take this organizer out of the black one. So the Longchamp large Le Pliage bags retail for $155. Look for sales. These go on sales. Keep an eye out at Nordstrom, Neiman's. I did pick these up from the Longchamp website. I did have a coupon code to save myself a little bit of money there. And I absolutely am so glad I got these. So it does have this big slip pocket in the back, which is where my phone's gonna go. It has the instruction card. It does not have a front pocket. I do believe the originals line does have a front. It does. So this one is the originals line and it has a small slip pocket with the big slip pocket in the back. So that really is the difference there. This bag, you guys, is so pretty. Okay, those wrinkles do have to come out though. I am going to steam this and get those creases out. But let me just show you what I'm going to put in this bag. All right, so I'm going to show you what is in this bag, and I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into my new tag. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this 3-ring binder in here. I use that a lot for all the things. And I also need my planner. That goes with me absolutely everywhere. I'm old school in the sense I have a phone that I put all my calendar stuff in, but it's not the same. I also prefer to have it written down and cross things off. I love having checklists and crossing things out. It gives me so much like satisfaction. So I also have been taking my kids back and forth for extra piano lessons the last few weeks because we're getting ready for their piano recital coming up in December. And also, have you guys ever seen Anne of Green Gables? This is the most beautiful movie ever. I love this so much. I grew up on this movie and it's so sweet. And my little girl loves it now. I always had such a crush on Gilbert Blythe. I think everybody did. So this is my little Post-it notes. I can't leave without these. I need a Post-it for everything. Of course, I carry my wallet with me. And then I also carry my little pouch with handle, cosmetics pouch. This is such a good little bag, and that has to go with me as well. I'm gonna fit that in there. I'm gonna take my sunglasses. That's gonna go in there, as well as my little key pouch. And also got to take my asthma inhaler with me everywhere I go, especially this time of year. I'm fighting bronchitis and allergies. I can't leave home without it. I also have my Longchamp coin pouch. Carries a lipstick and a couple other things like hand sanitizer. And sometimes I'll even put my keys in there. And then this is my favorite gum. I love this. I have to have it for me as well as my kids. And there we have it. And that's where I usually will set my phone. So it really does hold all the things and this color for fall. Are you kidding me? I'm so excited with this purchase. Beautiful. You know, I'm going to use it so much. And I'm very excited that I got it in black as well. I have been wanting the black for a couple years, to be quite honest. It is such a chic, beautiful bag and definitely goes with absolutely everything. It's a everyday bag. It could easily be a work student bag. Definitely a mom bag. That's what I am using it for, my mom bag. And I love it so much. I feel like it is casual and goes with everything, but it's also chic and elegant. Longchamp is such a great brand. I absolutely love not only just how affordable their bags are, but I also just love how chic, elegant, and timeless they are. And so I'm excited to add these to my Longchamp collection. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and like it. And I would appreciate it so much, and it helped me out so much if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so I can see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.